No, I'm a little bit disappointed because he cannot say, the president of Argentina said I cannot contact with Pep because his salary is amazing. To know that, he has to know my salary. The second one, he has to know to go to a national team. I know exactly, perfectly when you go to a national team is where the approach is completely different. And the third one, and most important, that nobody contacted me. So, and of course because I have contract and I want to stay here in this period until the end. So, but it was not correct to say the reason why. And the last one, so Argentina national team, the manager has to be Argentinian, and there are many and really good. So I'm not going to train to Argentina, but don't use, to put maybe, I don't know what's happening in the future, to say I don't go Pep because for the salary, because for that he has to talk to me, know everything that he doesn't know. So next time he will do better.